Good afternoon, my person favorite. My name is Mariana Rees, English Dual Word Level 1, Instructor Adriana Sofía Rivera, Evidencia Biopresentación AA1, Evidencia 4. Today I'm going to introduce my good mother. Her name is Sandra Patricia Cediel. She is 14 years old. Her birthday is July on 17. She is Colombian and live in Cali. Sandra is a student and therapist. She works at her hair salon, which is in her home, and she also provides therapy. She works Monday to Sunday. Hobbies in her free time. She likes reading books. She likes to take on online courses. She likes listen to podcasts. She loves to have coffee with bread in the afternoons. She doesn't like to see house music. Sandra is very keen. She is very calm. She's social. She's understand. She is for you. Thanks for my watching video.